Hey guys, it's me Luke again, and we're gonna be playing more poptropica part 2. We're just hopping right straight back into it, guys. So yeah, last time my mom was like, "Oh, do your homework." Kim Possible, you're really making me angry, man. No, I'm not watching your video to get a fun grappling hook. I don't want your frickin' grappling hook, Kim Possible. Is that so hard to get through your thick Kim Passa's skull? Are you that stupid that you can't understand that me, Black Panther, does not... He just got zippity zapped. I don't know, man. He just got zippity zapped. I got to get the invisible. Go away, Kim Possible. What's a little cat? Hi, little kitty. Meow. Ha ha ha. That's so quirky. It's locked. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. How do I get on? Oh, my goodness. Alright, I gotta get on the top of this building. And once I'm up there, I got to... Yeah, boy. What's the crack-a-lack-a-pop-a-lockin'? I have an important message for you about Dr. Spyglass. Ooh, spooky, okay. Ooh, that's a long one. Okay, K equals O. Alright. So, O, P, P, O, S, I, lagging, I, T, wait, no. P, T, A, what? Huh? He? Huh? E, P, A, oh, wait. Opposite, Z, V, is, wait. Geez, stop scrolling up. I'm not even doing that, man. Come on. Opposite Z. Opposite D. It's opposite directions. I already knew it, man. I'm a god. Alright, thank you, my guy. Whoa! Bounced. I just got... Ah! Bounced. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is this Dr. Spyglass himself? It sure is. Let's enter. So, opposite directions. That's interesting. We're about to find out what it means. Hello, Doc. Oh, you're not Dr. Spyglass. Where's Dr. Spyglass? Oh, yeah, hey there, Dr. Spyglass. I'd like an eye exam. Excellent. The chart is right over there. Opposite directions. So it's this, and then it's this, and then it's this, and then it's this again, and then it's this again, and then it's this again. Yes, 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 yes. He's gonna meet me upstairs. How do I get upstairs? Oh, I have to go outside. Yes, I did it. I decoded the secret message. And I did the opposite letters. There are so many ads on this game. Okay, let's go upstairs. Get out of here, Kim Possible. No one likes you. Can't believe they're making a Kim Possible live action remake. That angers me a lot. Hello there, friend. Welcome to my lab. I'm the scientist for secret operations. Oh, very nice. Oh, yes, this is the invisibility suit. Yes, okay. Yes, I have the invisibility suit now. Okay, how do I put it on? Invisibility suit. Put on. Close. Whoa, this is so invisible. Now I go to the boondocks to collect my agent prize. Whenever I move, you can see me, but when I stop moving, you can't. You wanna know why? Because I'm a beast, that's why. Boom, look at that, invisible. You can't even see me. Boom, invisible. And ready? Boom, I'm about to blend in with this person. And boom, boom, you don't even see me. Ready? Blend with the wall. Boom, not here, never was. common room. No, thank you. Let's go to the boondocks. To the boondocks. Let's go to the boondocks. Impossible! Leave me alone! Gosh, you freaking. Okay, let's go. They won't even see me. Oh, you can't see me because you're too stupid. I'm invisible. Ha ha. I am the Black Panther, and I am invisible. I will make it to the top of the thing. Let us go this way. And it's over here. Ah, you do not see me, for I am invisible. Slowly, I am invisible. Fool. Ha 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 ha! You fool, I've made it into the room. Okay, we're in here now. There's no going back. Fang. Uh-oh, that sounds like a scary dog. Wowzers! That's a spooky dooky doggy woggy. Hey, stop it, Fang. Hey, could you mind? Do you mind, Fang? Haha, got him. LOL, loser. Slasher. What a beast, man. Oh, Slasher is larger and slightly more mentally insane than Fang. Good to know. Don't you dare move, Slasher. Ouchies! He bumped me back up to the top. What a friggin' retard, man. Hey, I'm just trying to walk. Haha, got him. LOL. Get wrecked. Boom, jumped. Gosh, freaking heck, man. I'm just trying to get around you dogs. Yo, dog. What's up, my diggity dog? Skirt, skirt. Skeet, skeet. Wait, if you press on him, he attacks you? That's so stupid. Come on, man. I just want to get around you. Got him. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for him to pass. Ha ha! Fluffy! Hey, Fluffy. Where are you, Fluffy? Are you a nice doggy? You sound like a nice doggy. Oh my jeez Louise, Fluffy is black. This is not good for me. Oh, I guess I'm black too, because I'm Black Panther, you know? No, I'm saying. No! What the frick? I didn't even move. That is a bra moment. I didn't even move. Ugh! I'm triggered if you couldn't tell already. Come on, let's go. Bra moment. No, dude. How long have I been recording this for? 8 minutes. Okay, well, this video is about to close out. I gotta get it done before it's too late. I was so close. I got to Fluffy, man. Come on, you're really gonna do me like that, Fluffy? You're really gonna do me like that? No, it wasn't even the dog that did me like that. The screen just frickin' moved up. Like some stupid little frackin' idiot. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, guys, I obviously can't seem to beat this, but I'm gonna try it like 3 more times. If I can't beat it then... Whoa, what? Did you see that? The dog is fly hacking. Stop fly hacking, you noob. If I try to jump over this one, though, he'll just... No, I'll just go up into the first one. That's no fun. God damn it. Okay, I'm not moving. It's actually kind of surprising. I was just about to say how it's funny that I didn't get knocked up there. It's pretty surprising, you know? But I just got knocked up there for sure. Come on, let me do it. Let me do it. You can't touch this. No. Wow, I'm really just getting beat up by a dog, aren't I? Come on. Give me the booty. Give me Djibouti. Djibouti. Jeez Louise, man. You're a strong doggy boy. Sure are. Sure are.